Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Trishita Paul, and today we will be going over how to graph quadratics in standard form. This is our last video in our three-part series on graphing quadratic equations, but if you haven't watched our previous videos on quadratics, a playlist will be linked in the description below, as well as in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Please check those videos out before watching this one. So we graph quadratic equations in standard form just like we graph equations in vertex form, by finding the vertex and 2 points above and below the graph. Remember that standard form is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And to find the vertex of any equation in standard form, we can start with finding the axis of symmetry using the equation x equals opposite b over 2a. So that will give us opposite b, or opposite of negative 8, which is 8 over 2 times 2. 8 over 4 is equal to 2. And to get our vertex, we have our x value, but we can plug in this 2 into our original equation right here to get our y value. So we get f of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 3. So 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16 plus 3. So we have 8 minus 16, which is negative 8, plus 3, which will get us negative 5. And that will be the y value of our vertex. We can go ahead and plot that. That would be negative 2, or 2, negative 5. That would be right there. Now, we can draw a table and list the two numbers below and above the x value of the vertex and find the corresponding y value, just like we did when we were given an equation with vertex form. So we can draw a table right here with our x and y values. 2 points below the vertex of 2, negative 5 is 0, 1. Then we have the vertex itself, and then 2 more points, and plug in these numbers. So 0 will cancel these 2 out and leave us with 3, which means that 4 will also have a y value of 3. If we plug in 1, 1 squared is 1, times 2 is 2, and then negative 8 times 1 is negative 8 plus 3. So 2 minus 8 is negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. And that will be our points 1, negative 3, and 3, negative 3. So we can go ahead and plot 0, 3, that's not 0, 3. 0, 3 would be here, and then 1, negative 3 be here. We have 3, negative 3, and then 4, 3. You can go ahead and kind of do a connecting of dots to get a parabola that looks kind of like this. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to watch our other videos on graphing quadratics and check the description below for more helpful resources. We include more tips as well as practice problems in the description of every video. And please make sure to leave any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.